2、1、GO! 普通に
ダメ
セクシーに
ダメ
機械みたいに
ダメ
可愛く
ダメ
ショタボで
ダメだよ
イケボで
ダメ
ロリボも行こう
ダメだよ
Girl, every day and get up and beg. But $100 enough for people have. Then if he say $100 enough for people have, Becky no have it. Have it then, no, not you. Have it, man. Cause $100 same for everybody have. So have it then. Beg me $100, brother.
There are souls to be rescued. There are souls to be saved. Send the light, ding 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 ding. Send the light, ding 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 ding. Send the light, ding 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 ding. The blessed gospel light, let it shine, ding 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 ding. From shore to shore, ding 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 ding.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sashal. Sashal, that's a cool name. Did your parents give you an interesting middle name too? Yeah, you know, a lot of people hate their middle names, but I actually think mine's really pretty. It's Distance. Distance? Sashal Distance? Yeah, and hey, meet my sister, Quarantina. Okay.
You notice me in my glasses so you can't tell her who attack, or because nobody not supposed to go back and tell you say she bad attacking, you know, because in my glasses, nobody not supposed to say it's me.
Oh, move, Corona, move, make me pass. I am born again, Corona, me save and sanctify. Oh, move, Corona, move, make me go me church. Oh, yes, move, Corona, move, make me go me church. Hallelujah. Move, Corona, move, make me go me church. I am born again, Corona me save and sanctify. Corona move, make me go me church. Don't know.
I take down the bus license plate. I say I drive in Moscow prison. I should have for me daughter. Kill him with liquor when he come here. Watch him. Look a girl, come down off our bus back. Move, look a girl. Look a doctor, be laughing no man. You go take your license plate number. License plate number go. PG. What that? 5813. 5813. You see that bus driver, you must go to prison. Look a girl, come off our bus back.
You know which part of the NCB bank there?
Don't look, sir. No, mister. Me a man. Look for me.
Oh, sorry, young lady. The NCB bank.
Mr. Me is not a woman. He's a man.
Me not, oh, sorry. The bank.
Down there, sir. When you go down, turn left.
Hold on, miss. When you go down there?
Mister, me not no miss. Mister, me a man.
Oh, sorry. Some miss, so you have to shout off, mister.
Me a miss.
Come in. The door locked. Come in. Mama, the door locked. Come in. Mama, me say the door locked. And me say me a come. Jesus, man. Sure.
Pray for more. You know some video people, so brother. Understand the things done.
Media.
No, understand it. Mama, don't want it, brother. Teacher, listen to teacher, man.
Media.
Teacher, listen, man. You know matter your home, man. That's what I think of that.
Media.
And that's what I think of, brother.
Me tell you,
brother?
media.
Let the fun that with them, brother. I don't want to feed them, sir. So if you can't feed them, brother, I don't want to feed them, teacher. You might tell the brother.
Media.
Big man, I don't want to feed them, brother. Go on, so with them, brother. I don't want to feed
Media.
them, sir. Sir, I don't want to feed them, sir.
I want to your officer. Media, I'm sure you say me a media.
Sir.
Media, good morning to you.
You see me, sir?
Rosie, your crotch is big and frozy. Hasum, hasum, my sinus bother me. Lord Jesus.
$100 I normally pay for one. Close my door, please.
Well, you should have got a place then where you pay the 100.
Alright, that's what I normally pay $100 for them.
But the cane man is not here. Him tell we the price and we are give the price. Well, let's change and go on with your property. I'm gonna want this yo, 50. Tell about your price. Make yourself good meal. Well, at $200. Have not a nice thing.
Boy, your head dry like.
What you say?
Dry head, picnic.
You're full of plugs like dog. You kind of chat to me for big face. See your forehead big and broad and ever big.
Oh, yeah. So, as soon as you come out of a cuss?
Drop your window and go on with your business here, because you look like a big trial and cross is my man. So no, not get me from my wrong side and draw my tongue.
Ashley, you find something in a book. Ask me son. Me not ask me say no Mr. already. Just write in a group, ask her which page is sitting upon. Because me can't find out and I get frustrated. Alright.
You are doing. You look in the content page or in the index page in our book. Don't you know how to look for something in our book? Every topic is in the front of the book. You find the topic, and from you find the topic, you automatically find the page. I do not have one of those books at home. I don't know the page. Jesus of his mercy, what is the matter with Uno?
Girl, you say you make me cuss me out. I never want to do it, you can't set me up. Now I feel bad. She said in the book, you must look in the index. Where's the name of table of content? Go look in there and ask me if you do nothing again, because I'm ashamed. Aye.